Hey Glam Crew, today we are back with a swimsuit try on haul. It is your girl, Nikki, the glam teacher. So these swimsuits are from a company called Eytino, and you can find them on Amazon, Walmart. You know, they have the fast, good shipping. And the good thing, these swimsuits are going to be in budget. You can find them anywhere between $15 and $25, give or take. Depending on which site you use, you might can find them on sale. And we like a baddie on a budget, a baddie on a budget. So check the description box. My measurements and everything will be there. All of these swimsuits are a size large, and I found these on Walmart. So I have 3 swimsuits we're gonna try out, and I'll let you know if they're comfortable, if they're plus size friendly, and if it's worth the buy. So let me put on the first one and we'll get straight to it. All right, Glam Crew, we are back, and here is the first swimsuit. This one is a 2-piece bikini, and how we like it? It's kind of high-waisted on the bottom, so you can pull it up, cover up those rolls, and this back part is crisscross. You can adjust the straps back there. It has this cute little, not a keyhole design, but a little something right here. I don't know what we're gonna call this, but a little something, a little gold. Y'all know I love me some gold. And then it has light padding. Very cute design. Good support. Very, very good support. I can move around. Nothing is gonna spill out. This is a good family-friendly swimsuit. And if you got some mommy tummy, yeah, it's gonna suck it in there, y'all. Yeah, definitely get this look-see. Right here, or somewhere on the screen, yeah. Right here, I'll post a picture of exactly what I ordered. This is a size large, and I believe it was about $20. Very cute swimsuit. You can match it with anything. If you're going on like a little vacation, easy. Cream color, looks cream, ivory, yeah. Throw you on a cute scarf. Y'all see how I put that scarf on there? Yeah. Throw you on a cute scarf. And enjoy the beautiful beach weather. Enjoy the pool. This can be girls trip friendly, family friendly. This is an overall, if you don't know where you're going, what you're doing, just take this swimsuit and you're gonna be all right. Very, very comfortable and plus size friendly. Good stretch. Go get it. Let's try on the next swimsuit. So, if you want to be the cool mom at the beach, if you want to be the hottie on the ship, let me tell you, go ahead and get this swimsuit. This is a 1-piece swimsuit, and the swim skirt is attached. It's attached already. It comes with the cover-up. It got a little side split. You can have it like that, or just take it and tie it like that. It's very breathable and mesh. It has light padding in here. It goes up to here. So it is, you know, it got most of the little arm fat in there. Okay. Let's look at the back. Got a little bit of a scoop design back here, and the straps are adjustable. I like that these straps are a little bit thicker, and they are a little bit more supportive, not flimsy. Usually the thinner straps are really flimsy on my shoulders, and I don't like that too much. So here is this one. I love how, if I just want to eat good, drink good, I don't gotta worry about my stomach being all out and pudgy, people looking at me crazy. Yeah, I be looking back. I be looking back, cause what you looking at? I love me. Go love on you. So right here, I will put a picture of what I ordered. And as you can see, you're covered in the back. Fully covered. If this does rise up, you're still fully covered. Full coverage. Now this does not come off. So if you want it to come off, I'm sorry, it's attached. It doesn't come off, but it's very, very cute, very flowy, very comfortable and family friendly. I definitely recommend this for the plus size girlies. Get your normal size. It has plenty of stretch in it. I'm a pretty big girl and it's fitting. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And this came in different colors. They had a blue one, a light blue, a navy blue, a cream, and I believe they had a pink. And they had up to a size 3X online. So if you need a bigger size, they probably got what you need. Let's try on the last swimsuit. All right, Glam Crew. This swimsuit is definitely for those lazy days on the lake, lazy days on the beach, lazy days sitting by the pool, sipping a cocktail, reading a book. You know why I say that? Because it's kind of giving boring. It's giving boring. And nothing is wrong with being boring. We actually need some days of boring. I know I do. But it's giving boring. But you got a cute little crisscross design in the back. Can y'all see it? I had to tie it back here. So when you tie it, that is kind of how you adjust these straps, by making that tighter. You got this little bit of design right here, a little loop-de-looped, but it's nothing, yeah, it's giving lazy, relaxing. It is a two-piece tankini, but the bottoms are very, very high-waisted. Are these super high? Yeah, these are super high-waisted, all the way around, super high-waisted. And then you just pull the tank down. They call them tankini. It's a tankini. Tankini. Right here. I will put a picture of what I ordered so you can go shop. It is a size large. They have multiple colors in this as well. These straps, I think I made them too tight because it's like, it's squishing up my back though. And I feel like it's just a little bit snug on the bottom. Like it's cutting just a little. So in this one, I will order up a size just because of the comfort. Now the top, it fits good. I like how it's not loose in the chest area, light padding. I did tie this kind of tight, so it fits good here. And it is pretty snug going across. So if you need a little bit more room in here, the midsection, go up a size. This doesn't have much stretch. And like I said, the bottoms are kind of snug. Like they fit just right, but if you got some curves, a little bit more junk in the trunk, go up a size because it can start to get uncomfortable. We trying to be cute and comfortable. So yeah, this is my try on haul in these swimsuits. Let me know in the comments what you think. Which swimsuit is your favorite out of this haul? Drop in the comments. Check you in the next video. Bye, Glam Crew.